Alright guys, this is Travis. Just doing a little test run today on a GoPro setup that I got. Just recently got the GoPro Silver. Found out that you couldn't really have a microphone for it for some reason. So we ended up buying one of these see-through cases, the waterproof case you can find on Amazon for fairly cheap. And then I got a little bike mount. Now the rubber pieces don't quite fit over my handlebars like exactly, but it's got enough rubber on there where you can stretch it out and it should fit to your bike. Which I have pretty decent size, like thickness of handlebars. But basically the reason we got these was because trying to make videos before, we were using my phone, we were using other cameras, this and that. Anytime we tried mounting it to the handlebars, I'd get a really shaky picture and everything, and the pictures would come in really bad. Also, we were going to test out and see how the audio was with no microphones, anything like that. So the video that you're going to watch was made without any of that. It was just the case and just the new setup, just to see, one, the picture quality, and two, to see what exactly we could hear, what we couldn't hear. Pretty much with the bike started and everything, and with the case on, the case muffled quite a bit, so you can't really hear a whole lot, which is whatever. But main thing is the picture quality, because I can always put stuff over the video. So this stuff here, I've got to let you guys know exactly what I ended up getting here from Amazon. I got both these from Amazon. One was the see-through case, was called the D-Yard waterproof housing case. The actual setup here for the handlebars, it's got like a little gyro thing up here. You can twist, turn, it can basically go like any direction, which is really nice. That's called the X-Show bike camera mount. That was probably like 10-15 bucks, I think, and roughly the same, I think, for the case itself. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll still run the video and everything on here. I'll probably kind of go over it, maybe with something else, just to make it a little bit more interesting to watch, instead of just wind and then trying to make out what I'm saying on there. Also later on during the day, my mom stopped by, so I'll do a little thing at the end too, to show little parts of our run. We just took a little run together. She's got a Honda VTX 1300. I want to say like 06, 07, I think, for the year. You guys can check that out. She's in a lot of my videos too, along with my brothers and some friends and stuff like that. But today we just took a little cruise, just us two. So I'll put that in at the end of the video, and you guys can check that out too. And then we'll just kind of see how it all plays out. So, alright, thanks for watching.